This is your Weather Extreme video for Saturday, July the 7th. I'm meteorologist Brian Peters, and some of us are waking up to some thunder. There's a look at our Skycam network from Fayette, and we do have some clouds around thanks to the showers and thunderstorms that are going on early this morning, and we expect more showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. There's a look from Mount Cheaha as we look out from the highest point in the state of Alabama, looking at some of the showers that are actually over in the state of Georgia that were going on overnight. There's a look at our radar early this morning, just around 6 a.m., and you can see some showers and thunderstorms in southwest Jefferson County, some in southwestern Shelby County, and a large cluster down in the vicinity of Clanton, and those ongoing from overnight. We're still dealing primarily with surface high pressure, but that is beginning to relinquish its hold on our area, as is the upper ridge, which is becoming somewhat elongated across the Ohio River Valley as it's gradually edging off to the west, and that's going to mean a fairly sizable change in our weather, and we can certainly use that. Temperatures this morning generally in the 70s across central Alabama, slightly drier air located over to the east of us, but that may have a slight impact on where the thunderstorms occur today and tomorrow. QPF forecast looking good for some rain especially across the Tennessee River Valley, thanks to an upper air pattern change and the presence of a front. Storm Protection Center is outlooking a slight risk across the bulk of Pennsylvania and into the coastal area around New York City and Providence, Rhode Island, places like that from extreme eastern Ohio. And then we're still in a C-text area for isolated severe. Don't expect to see any severe thunderstorm watches, but isolated severe and maybe not as much as we've seen the last couple of days. The slight risk area drops a little bit to the south on day 2 with the front, as we see the C-text area still over the lower Mississippi River Valley. And the graphics for the Atlantic, we are still quiet in the tropical area. All right, let's take a look at modeling from the 06Z GFS model run. And there's the elongated ridge in the upper atmosphere, allowing us to have an easterly flow and isolated storms that are occurring and will continue to occur for today and tomorrow. As we get into tomorrow, we see that the ridge is migrating west just a little bit, becoming less of an influence on us as we begin to develop a trough over the eastern part of the country, and that means a front across the Ohio River Valley is probably going to drop into the Tennessee River Valley by about Monday. And then on Monday, you can see the troughiness beginning to definitely deepen across the eastern half of the country as the ridge pushes up into western Canada. And of course, like I say, that means a front coming down at least into Kentucky, Tennessee area, and maybe as far as the Tennessee River Valley. The trough sharpens up a bit on Tuesday, and so that means for us that we're just going to be into a pattern of daily showers and thunderstorms, and good chances, as a matter of fact. And the temperatures not nearly as hot. As we're going to be back to what is more typical, with temperatures highs generally around the 90-degree mark. There's Wednesday, and you can see that we have the trough, very sharp trough, and so nice pattern with a front down into the Tennessee River Valley now on Wednesday, if the GFS is right. And looking at the 500 millibar pattern on the European, and definitely in good agreement. Maybe position is not exact, but certainly a good, fairly substantial trough for this time of year. So models in reasonably good agreement on the features. The trough stays with us on Thursday, so we're continuing that pattern of unsettled weather, and again on Friday. And then on Saturday, we're seeing the trough weaken just a little bit, but we're still in a moist weather pattern, so it looks like a week from today, we're still going to be seeing daily chances for showers. And as you might expect, as we look out into Voodoo country, the ridge just you can't live in the summertime in the south without the upper ridge coming back, and certainly around the 20th or so, the end of close to the end of the period of the GFS, we see that the ridge is building back as the trough has dampened quite a bit. Well, that'll do it for the Weather Extreme video. Expect to have the next one posted Sunday morning. first thing at least by 8 a.m. or so. And in the meantime, hope that you have a wonderful day and enjoy. If you get any of this rain or get under one of those scattered showers, enjoy it.
Thank you for trusting us to be your #1 source for news
in all of Central Alabama.
In back-to-back ratings periods,
more people watched ABC 3340
than any other station in Birmingham.